Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and we mentioned we're looking to get one more drop similar to what we have here. Okay, now we want to see if we want, if we want to look for buy, we were looking for this one as a flat, as a running flat. How deep it can go, we don't want, we expect the price drop and even if retest the previous low, but we, if we want to look for buy, we prefer to get the running flat. That means if the price retest and break the previous low, then we have to look for the expanding. All right, that's why I mentioned we prefer to get the running flat for, if we want to look for buy. That means we get the running flat before the price can reverse. How deep it can go, now I'm looking for the support as 37,300. All right, 37300. That means if the price break 37,300, then mostly we can expect the price to retest the previous low. Okay, now the reason is, as I mentioned, because if the price drop and it break the previous low, we can look this. Then since the price have broke the previous top, and if the break the previous low, we're looking for the expanding. How deep it can go, we cannot confirm with that. That's why we don't want to see breakout of this. And we're looking for running flat. Any reversal, if it get, we can look for buy. And if we get the buy, the target we're looking for is 42K, following with buy 43,500. All right. Anyway, we have, even if the price drop, we have to see the reversal as a short move flag, and we prefer the price reverse somewhere around 37K. All right. Now, in this case, one things I need to highlight here, okay, because if we put this top in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence. And if we move to forward chart, because in my last analysis also we mentioned the possibility of this one turns to flat. But forward chart doesn't give us any information that this move is going to reverse, to drop. Okay, that's why we cannot confirm for with the. Cannot we can. That's why we cannot confirm whether that this is the flat and this is the start of the down move. But even in my last analysis, I will highlight it. If we want to look for buy, we need to know about this possibility. But no, we need to know about the flat in case this is the start of the down move. That's why if we want to look for buy, we have to get the reversal. Rather than that, we cannot look for buy. And if there is a continuation, we see we get this type of the correction in relative to this. This is where we can confirm the price going to drop some more. I was going to mention that, I was going to highlight that if we get any sell within this move, we can look for sell for the short term sell. But as we can see, the way it's dropping, it doesn't give, we cannot expect to get this sell unless this one drops some more, it gives us a correction. And if we refer to what we explained earlier, we want to see the reversal before the price break 37K. That means if there is a continuation with the breakout of this low, the previous low, then mostly we can expect the price to retest the previous low, which is this one. What I mean by this previous low, I mean it's around 36,500, and this one is around 32K. Okay, by the way, just I explained, the reason is I want to say whoever wants to look for buy, they should keep from here as a running flat, they should look for reversal. Then we don't have anything else to discuss. The only thing is we have a divergence we mentioned, and if we move to daily chart, as what we explained in my last analysis, mostly we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time. That's why we need to be quite careful in case this one turn to flat. The best thing is if this one turn to a flat for one more drop, if this one turn to a running flat, that's what we're looking for right now. If we give us one move up, then from there we cannot confirm whether the price can break 42 and continue, or this one can turn to a flat for one more drop or a even deeper correction. And again, if I move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is, just to summarize it, we're looking for running flat. If we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade, and this is the targets. the first and second one. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.